everyone, my name's Lauren. I'm the brand manager here at Browlux, and today I'm with Joss.
Hello everyone!
Joss is a brow specialist here at Brows by G in Winnipeg. They're one of our retailers.
I'm super excited to be with you guys here today.
Yeah, I'm excited too. It's gonna be so much fun. So today we're going to be using the pencil in just a couple of different ways, just to show you how to get more out of your pencil. So I'm gonna show you how to do freckles and lips.
And I will show you guys how to use the pencil just to fill in your brows and to also use it for some eyeliner.
I'm very excited for the eyeliner.
Yeah, it'll be fun.
Okay, so first, Joss is going to show you how to do brows, and then I'm going to take over and show you how to do your lips.
Okay, so I have Coco here, and I'm going to show you guys how I fill in my brows today. Okay, so I start off with filling in towards the bottom of the head and just slowly create like a guideline, and I'm slowly working my way up. Lately, I've been really into the fluffy brow, so I'm really into just like making like nice crisp strokes going upwards and keep them nice and fluffy towards the top of the brow. So I'm just using the finest point of the pencil just to create more like softer hair stroke definition towards the head of the brow. And then I'm going in a little bit darker towards the body and the tail, just because I like a little bit more definition. And then I'm just flicking upwards. Just like so. Now I like to bring my brows in a little bit. I like them like really fluffy towards the head, so I'll even bring them in and create like a couple extra little strokes in there. Just like that. And now we'll move on to the other side. So I'm going to start again, just on the bottom. I like to use my pinky for stability, just so I can make sure that everything's sitting where we're wanting it to be. Mirror, see how it's looking. I'm very picky, so I like the heads to look like super symmetrical. Or as symmetrical as I can get them. Perfect. Awesome. Now my brows are all filled in.
Amazing. Your brows look amazing.
Thank you. I feel amazing.
Right? So crisp. Okay, so I'm gonna zoom you all in and I'll show you lips. Okay, so we're gonna start on lips. For lips, I usually like to use it as a liner or an all over lip color if I'm feeling extra fancy. We're gonna use nutmeg today. So first, I like to prep my lips. I'll use a lip balm or a lip mask, and then I'll just go right in pretty much. I like to start at the Cupid's bow. So I go right from the top of the lip here and just make like, I guess like an X plant. It's actually surprisingly close to my lip color for some reason. And then I'll connect from the top of the Cupid's bow down to the corner of the mouth. Like so, with precision. It's hard to talk when doing this. And then other side. Sometimes if you like stretch your mouth, it helps also. It looks hilarious, but it's fine. If you're an overliner, you can do that as well. I personally don't overline my lips, but if you do, that's cool. To go over them a little bit. And I feel like the lip balm also gives a little bit of a slip, so it's a little easier to apply. Okay, we got the top. I'm gonna do the bottom. I like to personally go like this. It looks hilarious, but it works. Start in the middle. You can kind of just round it. It gives it like a little bit more volume. Working to the corner. And then same on the other side with a stretch. So that's it lined. So you could either use a lipstick or I'm just gonna go right in. So I like to just use short strokes and kind of like buff it up. This is not everyone's cup of tea color, but I love it, so. You can do this as well. Touch up if you need. I'm gonna grab a lipstick and I'll show you what that looks with lipstick over top as well. Okay, so I have a lipstick, and yeah, I just like to go over it, just adds a little bit more dimension. But the brow pencil acts as like a lip liner, so it really helps your lipstick from bleeding into your like foundation. It just so happens the pencil matches my lipstick, so yeah, that's it.
Amazing, and now we have lips.
We do.
The color looks beautiful on you.
Thank you.
So now we will move on to showing you guys how to use the Brow pencil for eyeliner and freckles. So I think I'll start off with showing you guys how to do some eyeliner.
I'd really like to see eyeliner.
So for liner, I will be using our shade Carbon. It is our darkest color, so it's the best to get like a nice lash enhancement, just to make like the lashes look a little bit fuller and bring a little bit more definition to the lash line. So I'm just gonna go in on this side and using the finest point of the pencil and then slowly working my way inwards. I'll start off by showing you guys like a very light lash enhancement, and then we'll get into a little bit more of like a winged look. So I'm just going right along the lashes and I'm applying with like a very light hand, just so that it kind of gives a little bit more of that like smoky type of vibe. Slowly working my way in. Just like so. I swear my eyes are like getting so watery.
Looks great though.
Thank you. And then just like so. And there you have it, just like a light lash definition. So you guys can see a bit of the difference in there. It's nothing too crazy. It's just to bring a little bit more definition just to the upper lash line. So now I'll show you guys how to do a little bit of a wing. So the pencil is shaped like a triangle, so you can just use like that finer point and just like lightly bring the pencil outwards. You can go as large, as small as you want, whatever you prefer. Especially if you like a softer eyeliner, you can totally use just the pencil. Sometimes I'll even use the pencil to kind of create like a guideline and then go over top with some eyeliner, just so you can make sure that, you know, wings are sitting where we're wanting. And then I'm just gonna use, totally stumbled on my words. And then I'm just gonna use that finer point just to get that angle nice and sharp. And then boom, you have eyeliner. Just like so. Awesome. Now I'll show you guys the other side. I'm just pulling back and forth to like build the product over top of the areas I want it a little bit darker. And if you like that like cat eye look, you can like really bring it in. Let's pray for these wings, let's get them right. Amazing. And then now we have a nice lash enhancement.
Those are some crisp wings.
Thank you.
I love them. Okay, so now I'm gonna show you Freckles.
So excited.
Yeah, I'm excited too. Let's go. Okay, so moving on to Freckles. For Freckles, personally, I like to use a pencil with a warmer tone. You can see that nice like sun-kissed look. So we're gonna use walnut today. You could use nutmeg or any of the other shades that complement your skin tone. It depends, I guess, on your skin tone. I'm more of like a medium, like light medium skin tone, so I feel like walnut works very well. Okay, we're going in with dots. Here we go. I already have some freckling, I guess. Some of it is actually micropigmentation, but some of it is also natural, so I'll let you judge. Which ones do you think are natural? Okay, so going in with, I just go in with pretty much the flat end and kind of go in a circle, but you can make them small or big. And I usually start nose where the sun hits you, so it's gonna be like this area right here on the nose, top of the cheekbones, forehead. You can make a little beauty mark if you want. These are natural. I'm not lying. So let's just go in. I'm gonna do this side. We'll do this side first so you guys can see, because it probably will take a while. So we're going in, and I just kind of like dot it like that. You can pat it too. Kind of smudges it out. But you know, just like go crazy. It's fine. If you mess up, just, yeah, we're good. Under the eyes is cute too, I feel like. I already have a lot there, but usually I would probably do blush after this, but it's okay. I'm gonna go on top. If you want a darker one, I have a darker little beauty mark right there. Actually, I think that's micropigmentation, but we'll just like add a friend. Going in. I mean, you can go as hard as you really want. I won't keep you here for that long. We're moving on to the nose. And I feel like they don't have to be perfectly circular either. I feel like it makes it look a little bit more natural if they're kind of oddly shaped. And the little triangle is good for that. If you just kind of like move it around a little bit. Just kind of like press it and then like drag it. So it's kind of like, okay, that one was not a freckle shape, but good idea. And yeah, just like pressing your finger, it kind of lightens up some of them and keeps some of them dark so they look a little bit more natural. I always wanted like a lot of freckles as a kid, so this is perfect. Okay, here's an example if that one is a little bit too dark there. You can just pat it out and it just like lightens up. Looks a little bit more seamless. I feel like this can be overdone very quickly because it's so fun. But that's one side and that's the other side. So a little amount enhanced with freckles there. So we're gonna do the other side to even me out, but still super natural, just a little more freckly, a little more summery. And plus we're going into fall soon. I feel like if you do them after you do your full makeup routine, it makes your skin look a little nicer because you're already evened out from your foundation and then you're adding back in some freckles. I'm going a little bit faster on this side. Okay, I think I'm almost done. We should stop soon. Okay, I think I'm gonna stop myself. So that's the finished look. Summary. Yeah, very easy to do if you're wanting freckles. So yeah. Amazing! Thanks so much for hanging out.
Thank you for having me. It's so much fun.
Yeah, it was so great. So many tips. I'm so excited. We can't wait to see all of your looks on socials. You can tag us at BrowLuxCA or use the hashtag WeAreBrowlux. See you soon.
See you guys later.
Bye.